Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of A Howler's Garage. And in today's episode we are going to address one major problem, which is the back of the car is 6 miles in the sky, and the other elephant in the room is this hectic new roll cage we have picked up for the AU Falcon. Some of you guys may know, but may not, this is actually not a AU Falcon roll cage. It is a Nissan Stagia roll cage that I picked up on Gumtree for $200. And I have already test fitted it in the car, and it kind of is ridiculous how well it fits. So I'm super happy with that. I'll show you guys later on in the video. But first up, I want to address the back of the AU Falcon, which it is way too high. So we want to lower the back of the AU, and we're going to do it the dodgy-ish way. It's definitely dodgy. We're going to cut the rear springs because I can't be bothered mucking around with lowered springs. So yeah, sit back and relax. We're going to jack the back of the car up, pull these struts out. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're going to figure it out and try not to kill ourselves in the process. So yeah, let's get into it. So all I've done so far is remove the top bolts that are up there. Literally just the top of the shocks, so I can push it down with my finger like that. And I'm going to jack the car up from the body, not the diff, and hopefully the springs will uncompress and I can just chop a coil out and then it's done. Yeah, so that's worked out absolutely wicked. So we've got the, as you can see you'll see that the springs are loose. So that means when we chop them with the grinder, they won't fly out and try and kill us, I hope. Definitely not going to, because epic mechanic. Alrighty guys, let's lower this AU. One down and one to go. There's no difference. How's there no difference? I got a whole coil out. It's a bit strange, isn't it? How much do you have to cut out? It's miles too high. It's dropped like a little tiny little bit. Oh, that's not what we're looking for, is it? We're looking for bloody Haggers Loaf AU. That will not do, sir. I shall return in a minute with more bits of spring. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That looks sick, I reckon. It's not like super fully hectic slammed, but it's just, it probably matches the front, I reckon. I'm actually really happy with that. Probably all needs to be lowered another inch, like all around, but for now, shut that. What do you guys reckon? Now we're going to move on to the roll cage. So there you have it guys, you can kind of see if I get shot, it actually hugs the roof, like I can't even put my hand in there, so it's like that perfect. Literally could not be happier. I'm absolutely stoked. So now I've just got to drill a few holes through the car, put the plates underneath, put the bolts through, and it's in. I'm absolutely stoked. And there you have it, guys. The roll cage is officially installed. It looks absolutely wicked. I couldn't be happier with it, really. Everything's bolted up. So on that side we've got the roll cage, and on the other side we've got a big old plate and 2 bolts. So there you have it, guys. What an absolute epic day of working on the car. Probably my favourite day of working on cars, because it just looks so good. I can't believe how good it looks in there. Check it out. I don't know, it just makes it look like a full-blown race car now. But even though it's a stock AE Falcon. Anyhow, thanks for watching this one, guys. It's been an absolute wicked video to make. It looks so much better now that it's low at the back and low at the front. In the next couple of videos, I think I want to sort the diff out first, because geez, it's hard to skid an open wheel car. Well, I suck at drifting, but I already put it into a field once. Yeah, so probably definitely sorting out the rear end of this car, putting a mini spool in there, and probably changing the diff gears at the same time. I have to look up exactly what is already in there. It's hard to tell because last one I had was manual and this one's auto, so I don't really know. I think it's 308, it probably is. Yeah, I think I'm going to go to a 345 or 37 something or whatever, but we'll suss that one out later. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and we'll be hopefully sorting that rear end out. But that's it for now, guys. Enjoy the look of this roll cage. It's so cool.